Well, good morning, everybody. Just 2 days away from my Ohio trip. And wouldn't you know it, I finally have a real problem with the BMW. I was at the stoplight back there, and all of a sudden I felt the rumble. My light came on for the engine, and it sounded like the BMW was a truck. Started missing a cylinder. It's like I had a diesel. I thought a diesel truck had pulled up beside me. I was like, what the hell? Nope, I am pretty sure it I either got bad gas or I got a plug going out. But yeah, it's fine now. It's fine now. But yeah, something's going on. So I'll clear that alarm when I get home. I think the same thing was going on with the Harley, and now the Harley's fine. But yeah, I'm pretty sure one of the places I've been getting gas probably got some bad gas. So hopefully that'll run the gas out. Hopefully I don't have to. Hopefully this won't become a recurring thing. Because if it does, it'll be very upsetting. I'll throw that out there. But I don't know. Let it go a couple times. See if it'll reset. If it resets, cool. If it does not reset, well, plug change, and last resort, take it to BMW, because you know I'm all about doing simple things for myself. But yeah, if it's something big time, I'll let BMW handle it. But hey, good morning, everybody. If you haven't already, like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell. If you're here, you must have something you like, so hit the like button. They say anyone who stays over 30 seconds into a video usually watches at least half the video, so thanks for staying. You're the man. I'm catching every red light this morning. I had to bring some welding stuff to work today, so I was rumbling around in the garage a little too long, I guess. So it looks like I might be late to work today. Hope not. We have a little bit of accident forgiveness for tardiness, but I'd still just rather not be tardy. Alright guys, I will catch you later. Oh gosh. I don't know if you can see this. It's 103 degrees outside. Had to work a little late today. Those of you who follow me on the IG and the FB and the YouTube posts. I got a new hard hat, I got a new welding hood today. So I was trying to break it in, had a lot of stuff going on. So I'm a little late getting out, but oh my God, it's hot. I'm not even as south in Mississippi as I could possibly be, and it's 103 degrees. So I am going to try to go home, have a oh my God beer, as in like, oh my God, it's hot. I'm gonna drink this beer. And then we're gonna open that new box of boots. What do you guys say? Let's do it. Let's do it. All right, guys, we got something exciting today. Wasn't expecting this, but it showed up. So, as you know, my Harley's been having a lot of problems lately. Oh, look, Law Tigers. Somebody is sponsored by them. Not me, but I'm open. So I got a new battery. The Harley obviously has been having lots of problems, and found out that it has a 225 amp battery in it. Engineers want you to have a 270 or a 245 amp battery, or co-cranking amp battery. So I got a 270, a Yuasa. So this is supposed to fit in the Sportster. Pretty sure it will. Why wouldn't it, right? Let's get this bad boy on charge. So this is a unpopular thing I'm doing, but it's probably the best thing for your battery, is when you get it to put it on charge. Manufacturer recommends you put the battery on charge for 8 to 12 hours before you put it into the bike. Nobody does that. I get it. But you're supposed to. If you don't charge this battery all the way up, whatever it starts at is what you're stuck with. And a lot of times that might mean if it's got 12.5 amps, that's all you're, or 12.5 volts, that's all you're ever going to get out of that battery is 12.5 volts. My recommendation is charge the battery. So I have 2 battery chargers I can put on this. First one is a battery maintainer from, I'm not sure who it's from. I think it's from Battery Tender. Oh, it's a Schumacher. And my other one's a Schumacher too, but the other one is for a lithium ion, which will also do a lead acid battery. But since this one's for a lithium ion, or this one's for a AGM, I'm going to use this one. That one only charges. I just changed my mind. That one only charges. This one actually tells you how much charge is in the battery. So we're going to do a little experiment here and find out exactly how much charge actually is in this battery when it starts to charge. So let's switch to the other one. So we're going to select lead acid because that's what an AGM battery is. No matter how fancy they want to say it is, it's a lead acid. For posterity's sake. And we're charging. Current battery voltage is 82%. All right, so it's got 82% of a charge. So if you ever wondered, you get a brand new battery. I don't know if you guys can read that. It's all digital, but yeah, 82. It started at 82% and it's building its way up. So I'm gonna leave that on charge for about 12 hours. Hell, I'll leave it on all night. I mean, literally, it is all night. And we'll check on it tomorrow. Well, this ain't gonna happen today because although it looks right, they put the wrong ends on the wrong in the wrong plugs. So yeah, that ain't going in today. And that one actually kind of sort of went in, but it had the wrong end. So I got 2 straights on this one, and they put a 90 and a straight on that one. So obviously this is either for a different motorcycle or they just totally hosed this one up. Okay, back to the drawing board. Maybe I'll just make my own. That'll probably be easier. So hey everybody. Well, we're on our way to Ohio. And this is what we are driving into. This is our peremptory ride into to get to Father Barber's house in Kentucky. And it's been this way for about 30 minutes. It's been crappy weather. It's been crappy driving for about 3 hours. So, but we're still on our way up there. We're on the way. It's nasty, but don't worry, Bobber, Steph, we're coming. See you soon. Hey, so we finally made it. We're up here with Steph. We're at High Stakes Harley Davidson with that weird iron horse over there. So we finally made it up here, and we're going to get some beer and some food and look at some motorcycles and see what's going on. Yes, we are here at the Florence Y'all Water Tower.
You've been here?
So let's have some fun.
He has, I have. Filmed Florence Y'all?
I have filmed y'all.
Oh.
went to Quaker Steak and Lube. Totally forgot to film, but it was this good. Yeah, we were very good people, and we cleaned our plates and drank most of the beer too. So none left. All right, guys, we're gonna go. We're gonna go pick up some stuff tomorrow for Get Up breakfast with Bloody Marys.
Get up. We already have it. We already have it.
We need to get the bus.
All right, so Get Up and Bloody Marys in the morning. See you then. Look who I met bumped into. So yeah, I haven't seen him since last time I was in Florence at the water tower. So we're here again.
Yeah, how you doing?
How are you been doing?
I've been doing good, just working, you know, riding as much as I can.
So you got the same bike?
Yeah, I got the Indian.
So tell us about your bike.
Indian Scout 60, 2022. Got it brand new, ordered it, 1000 cc. I'm about to get stage 1 put into it, so I'm bringing up horsepower and torque a little bit.
Nice.
It should be great.
All right. You're tall.
Oh yeah.
So yeah, keep meeting all these people that make me feel short.
I'm only 22. Yeah.
Stop growing.
Oh yeah, I'll try. Yeah.
All right. We'll catch you later, man.
No, yeah, it's good. Yeah, I'll come see you guys here in a minute.
All right. So, made it to Newark, not New Jersey, but the other one. And look what I found. And look what I found. Yep, you gotta go to his channel, find out about this. This is his new pony. So, go to Nothing at Random's channel. And she got a new pony too. And yeah, you gotta go to her channel and find out about her new pony too.
You can't see this.
So,
you can't see this yet. No, don't look.
So go to 7th Sentinel and find out about all the, I'll keep her body blocking the
We're
new
cookies
goodies.
and cream.
So cookies and cream. You can ask about that later. And they're stuck with their already bad ones. If you just tuned in soon, you saw an oil change on these bikes. So tune in, I believe this one. So tune in, and you'll find out all about how to do a 3-hole bang fest. I mean a 3-hole change on this bike. So tune in.
We only had vodka. What I want to drink.
No, I'm just gonna get a classic.
Alright, there goes. It's been a weird day. We got everybody except Juice. We got Annette hiding down there. We got Rainey recording me, recording him, recording each other. Someone had a little trouble on the road, but we got them sorted
I don't
out.
want to talk about it.
Traumatized.
Traumatized.
But I had to take them to my favorite local spot. I just like the black background more.
It looks nice, yeah.
I think it looks a little cleaner.
Yeah, I like it.
I was packed by you.
I know you work at home, so.
I was at my parents' place anyways. Still far.
Yeah, probably not there.
Oh, it's those. That's good. These are the ones that went down to Tampa with me and got a little wet. Son of a bitch.
Maybe. I don't understand how they all struggle with their stickers so much.
Jesus Christ, here, you got nails. Get this.
Actually, I shoot them all off. Yeah. These have been in my pocket for so long.
You know, the good thing about making my own videos is I can edit it whichever way I want to.
Eventually.
I'll cut the picture of me opening it.
Maybe. These have been in my pocket for like a month. So.
What? Is that probably in a bag?
Well, I have a bunch in my bag, but I just kind of throw them in that little coin pocket and I forgot about it.
She's got nails.
Yeah, I can get it.
Peel this for you. His nails are over there.
It's a little sticker, so I might.
Holy.
Oh my god.
This is a tough one.
Guess we're trying. Here.
Like,
It's gonna cost.
I can't spend my money on stickers, man.
I just needed to take them out of my pocket.
There you go.
Hey, there we go. Thank
One
you.
for the win. It works.
Yeah. What are you doing?
One more guy showed up, and he is really that tall. Sorry.
Oh yeah,
I can try. There we go. Now we're like more even.
There we go.
So Drew showed up.
Make sure we get the hat too.
It's like drive in or drive in.
I rode it.
Hell yeah. So we'll see his bike later. And if you want to see it, I guess go to his channel at The Loose Juice.
Boom.
So we're finished at Elliots, and this is about all that's survived. I think we've killed off probably. She killed everything. She likes her proteins. And that's all that's left there. So he's got his whole one left. So going home with us, we're gonna eat that in the house. All right, now we gotta go set up for our live stream.
My name's Chris and I work at Elliots Woodfire Kitchen and Top. Best pizza in Newark. Like, comment, subscribe, and hit the bell.
Best thing about these 9s is they are awesome in the freaking sunset and in dim light.
I can't hear what you're saying.
This was their finest hour.
Next time on the Rainy Rider channel. Right, we're on the way to Throttle now for the meet and greet, which still seems a little weird to me, but we're on the way there. And we're gonna pick up donuts. See you there.
So between these 3 motorcycle manufacturers, which has existed the longest? Royal Enfield, Moto Guzzi, or Harley Davidson?